जय संस्कार Standard 10th Chapter 1 Chemical Reaction and Equation. So chemical reactions are which like turning of milk into curd, rusting of iron, which we see in our day-to-day life. But in chemistry, a chemical reaction is defined as, we can say chemical reaction is occurring first if there is change in state, change in color, third one, change in temperature, fourth, evolution of gas. If one of this condition is being satisfied, then I will say the chemical reaction is occurring. So, to demonstrate this particular thing, that this kind of procedure or this kind of situation happens when chemical reaction take place. Okay, so chemical, to see this, we will start with one activity. In this activity, we are supposed to take a magnesium ribbon, which is a metallic silver in color. You will easily obtain this in your chemistry lab, and you are supposed to cut it for nearly like 25 to 30 centimeter long part of it, and then you are supposed to hold it with the help of tongs, and then you are supposed to bring this particular thing near a Bunsen burner. Simply any burner. Near this burner you are supposed to bring this particular magnesium ribbon. You will observe a dazzling white flame over here. Dazzling white flame is just a bright white flame. You will observe bright white flame, like in your home, in your stove or burner, you will see there is a blue to yellowish flame, but over here you will see bright white color flame. That is because magnesium is burning in the presence of oxygen. So you are supposed to collect the remnant of it over here in this watch glass. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, જ્યારે આપણે અગરબત્તી કે એવું કંઈક કરીએ તો નીચે કાંઈક ને કાંઈક એનો એન્ડ પાર્ટ કાંઈક ને કાંઈક બચ્યું રહે. એ રેમિનેન્ટને તમારે કલેક્ટ કરવાનું છે વોચ ગ્લાસ ઉપર. અને જ્યારે કલેક્ટ કરી અને તમે જોશો કે આનો કલર જે છે એ વ્હાઇટ કલર છે. સો સિમ્પલી મેટાલિક સિલ્વર કલર એટલે મેગ્નેશિયમ ઓક્સિજનની પ્રેઝન્સમાં બર્ન થવાના કારણે you will get magnesium oxide, which is white in color. Magnesium was metallic silver in color, and magnesium oxide is white in color. So we will say there is a change in color or change in appear. We can also say there is a change in state, because before it was hard metal and now it is converted into a powder. So this is the thing that is your first activity. In this particular activity, only two questions asked. Magnesium metal in the presence of oxygen burns with which flame? That is dazzling white flame, and color of magnesium oxide, that is white. Second activity. In this activity, we are supposed to take two separate test tube, and we are supposed to add this particular test tube into one another, or you may have another test tube to add this test tube to add. So in this first test tube, we are going to have PbNO3 twice, which is lead nitrate. Pb is a sign of lead. You should recall this. And this particular second test we are having potassium iodide. We will add lead nitrate and potassium iodide together and we will get something floating over here in this test tube. If you add this two test tube over here, you will get something floating over here. This floating thing, whenever you will get this floating thing, we call this particular reaction as a precipitation reaction. Precipitate is simply a thing which is insoluble in the given solution. So this is a precipitation reaction. In this, earlier we were having PbNO3 twice, that is lead nitrate as well as potassium iodide. And after mixing these two together, we are getting PbI2 plus KNO3. That is lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Lead iodide and potassium nitrate. These two are insoluble in water. So PbI2 would be of yellow colored and KNO3 would be of white color. So again there is a change in state and change in color that you will observe. Activity number 3. In this activity, we are supposed to take a conical flask. Conical, that is a word because it is a cone shape on the top. So this flask is called conical flask. We are supposed to add zinc granules. You are not supposed to add a big piece of zinc metal. You are supposed to cut that into small granules. Grain size, that is granules. Okay, zinc granules. Plus you are supposed to add hydrochloric acid, or you may add H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. So all the metal reacts with all the acid in same manner. If they react, that they will react in same manner. So you will have zinc granule or hydrochloric acid, or zinc granule or with sulfuric acid. Which one is available to you? In our textbook, it is zinc granules plus hydrochloric acid. When you add these two things together in a conical flask, you will observe a tiny bubbles around the surface of zinc granules. These bubbles are of hydrogen gas. Yes guys, hydrogen gas evolves when zinc react with hydrochloric acid. And this tiny glass tube will carry that hydrogen gas from here to the top. So you may collect hydrogen gas over here. There are certain tests by which you may check if the evolving gas is hydrogen or something else. Generally, hydrogen burns with a popping sound. You will hear some certain sound. So that is a popping sound. It will create certain kind of noise while burning. And another thing, this one is a rubber cork. So for gas, there is no another way to escape. So it will lead to this particular way, and we may keep some container over here and collect it. This is a method of generating hydrogen gas in laboratory. Let's see the reaction. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid. We will get ZnCl2, obviously based on the valency, plus hydrogen gas liquid. If we talk about sulfuric acid, then zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So this is reaction. In this there is an evolution of gas. But what about this one? This one remained. No. When you touch the surface of this conical flask before and after, you will see that surface of this conical flask is heated than the previous time. What does this mean? This means this reaction is exothermic. Exothermic is a reaction which exits therm, that means heat. Exit of heat. So you will see the surface of this flask is hotter.